Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Electoral Commission wing, and we are asking them to overturn their ruling because we are annoyed as the youth. Thank you. Of course. Thank you very much.
Nya yo hawa abino me no pia keno bore boli wona keno bore kui ukwayo chik me lobo Uganda me gonya kena me wo choye koporo me kota ma bedi chi adeg miere tie ka ber akena miere choye wana tike de gufu me yakena choye me bedu president wa me lobo Uganda kana Uganda mito nyupe mito atina woba take me wana tu mita kena choye kena do failing ame pu choye pinyo me lobo Uganda wana tu mitu ni no uboli Bobi wine wono queen kena failing eto people back at the lobo akena pe binu failing akena be the president inyin yeso nego mani nyi ba pap ba what ba chunya chi you UPC akena kono UPC amo akena UPC Mandushu UPC Ankono UPC Joyce kono UPC Bully Dushu UPC UPC.
Yes, my name is Geoffrey. We are all here gathered. As you can see, we are not up at all with what is happening in Uganda. We are all youth. We are all demanding for change. But we should not get change in the wrong way. We are really so much crying in this country as if this is not our country. We must be free to do anything we want in Uganda. We want Jimmy Akena to be nominated. Yes. There's no reason as to why he cannot be nominated. A party cannot be without the president. Yes. Why then? Stop having that juristic heart. Stop betraying the rest of the nation. Yes. Why then? We are not happy. We are not happy at all. Do you want us to be like, do you want us supporters of UPC to be like that of Bobi Wine, who is just moving on the road, swagging and doing a lot of things? Do you want us to be like that? We are not happy at all. But we should not show ourselves in that manner. We are trying to respect the law. Yes. We are trying to do everything to show that we have that hope. Akena Jim is our hope right now in the country. Yes. Moreover, the son of the late president, Milton the bottom. Yes. Why are you sabotaging the rest of the thing? Yes. We are now celebrating independence because we are about to. And because of Milton the bottom.
Because of UPC.
Because of UPC. Why then? Why sabotaging? Why betraying the rest of the nation? Look at Uganda. Look at us. Teachers are not teaching right now because of this NRM. Our students are at home. Our children are at home. There's nothing that we can do. I said all these are not up at all. You can see I'm not up at all. We want Akena on the ballot. No Akena, nothing like votes. For President Yoweri Museveni, there's nothing like votes for Museveni. Only Bobi Wine. Or else we shall not. Anyway, we are still going to meditate. And if not, we may not vote for president if not anything. Yes. We are not happy. Thank you for my life.
Nyangura Jimmy. Nen mira koka nyo bura.
Kumbura pay.
Anu nua niang ni Uganda. Obedo me angatoro keken. Beru kere tuero. Mechung, mechoye te piem kere ngo. Ingatoro keken. Eta wuro. Achaki. Moki pira ngwen, moki pira big. Peru aneno. Ngatora me okelo choye mere ni jobin piem. Au te gengo ngatora chiel. Iya kina jom nyari yo iwie. Ni pechung. Heka ote nungu ni. Iya kina jom nyari yo iwie. Ni pechung. Obera Akena borre. Akena borre ame okobi pechungi. En papere no kele independent me Uganda. Yes. Akena borre me okobi pechungi. Eno mi jotelele you lodge me Uganda. Yes. Akena borre me okobi pechungi. ena me omi okon dinni amonu tie balok wo ajo tie nekujo tie buyumun tie ti ujama richo i Uganda chene Uganda tie rueny tie utiki orwe utiki ko Akena borre ena ye oworo joko kon temi ye wano te wew Uganda te wew yes Akena borre tina ketu komeni ena tie kiluku i Uganda between parties ame opupo ka popat Bobi wangi konyo nukelo pe ko i Uganda jo apopat konyo kelo pe ko i Uganda Akena ena duogo jo chen te binoni jo bin note karachiel me we Uganda would no karachiel pingo ati mugini koma Akena ngata mitia boko kucha jo me Uganda dan porwa ni mwachiel Akena lo nyukere ngatoro porwa ni uchogoro ngatoro porwa ni utime otere kire ngatoro porwa ni utiu gilwenyer moro bon ngatoro pega ngoi ni koma Akena borre akwa yubu kaga mitini pero mucho Akena borre mebe di palo tuara bolu kuir beda pe Uganda bolu kuir beda pe Uganda you where you get one bolu kuir donc akoboni kaje twere we ke kuira Akena wo kwala kwene iye urima una ma iye eta Akena we choye wo piem kerengo wo mere Akena wo piem kerengo wo mere ire wo timneli wo timneli we Akena wo choye kerenga wo mere wo piem kerenga wo mere kai karo mi musa bin pino bera pe no ngatora me Uganda romo yero no gino neno ni ngati romo romo telo Uganda no be piem ame jo piem ate no matatuara donc piman mi akoboni katwere Uganda onyo kota tieni onyo electoral commission na tieme Uganda ni tiginora twere meke la loga ichun luak me Uganda viene na tia kobeni northern Uganda eastern Uganda cannot be Uganda yigipetia yom pilok tu Akena boringo oho atundi wape yom ape yom UPC
Akena kono
UPC
dominating Akena
UPC
Akena on ballot
UPC
Akena uli oloho
UPC
yandongo ngoloho
UPC
na chuya
UPC
kabramado ene
UPC
Akena on ballot
UPC
monkono
UPC UPC
I want to make this declaration as the youth wing of the Uganda People's Congress. As we are gathered here, we know that in history, when Milton Obote, the doctor, and the president of this country, once he made an alliance with the Kabaka Yeka, everybody knows that. And therefore, if Jimmy Michael Akena is not going to be on ballot, we have showed you our alliance and we mean it as the youth and we are going to stand for it as the youth. We shall support it and we shall go for it because we know that you want us to boycott elections, but we are not going to boycott it because that is the advantage you want to take to do your own influence. Therefore, my youth and the youth wing of UPC, we are going to support and we still say that let Akena be on ballot 2026. This is the war, not against the people of Uganda People's Congress, not against only the people of Northern. This is the war, Lord, against Ugandans and the interests of Ugandans. I say this and declare for God and my country that on the first, I cannot be nominated without any failure.
UPC! 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 UPC!
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.